This is one of my favorite zucchini recipes, zucchini fries, and today you're going to see how I do it. I'm picking these zucchini to make some zucchini fries. That's a pretty nice, this is another one, it just won't get any bigger than this. It's planted in shade where the other one was in sun, and it's called a zucchini cash machine. But once they're small like this, I just pick them and turn them into zucchini fries. Today I'm going to make zucchini fry. For the squash I'm using today, I picked some small ones because for some reason they don't form. I don't know, it might be the heat. I'm not sure. But I picked the little ones or they'll just rot on the vine. I'm using a small one for this recipe. So the first thing I do is wash the zucchini, then I cut the ends off, and then we want to cut them into fries. So this one I cut in half, and then I'll just make it in quarters. You want to have them about this size. Next, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven. I've already preheated it to 350. And then I'm going to put olive oil on this pan, just a light cover. Next, I'm going to put some breadcrumbs and Parmesan and mix that up good. You can find the full recipe in the description link below, and you can even print it out. I just mix this up really good. Then we have an egg. Now we're ready to put the zucchini onto the frying pan, the baking sheet. And you just do this for each one. Make sure they're separated good on the baking sheet. Now these zucchini fries are ready to bake, and it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. 10 minutes through, just flip them over so they brown on both sides. These zucchini fries are now ready to be served. Be sure to subscribe to get more recipes just like this one.